So in this video, we'll talk about how to connect multiple Bluetooth device into the Windows 11. Okay, so let me enlarge the Bluetooth device. So I have three Bluetooth. They are different, two different brands. So first, I need to connect both of them together uh, for the Windows 11. So let me turn on. I already connect this one. So let me turn on another one. And then let me minimize my. Okay, so let me add the other two. So it's called Sound Lily. It's connecting. Finish connect. It will show up after I. So I will open another one. Now let's add the other one. Connect. Well, now you can see I have three Bluetooth device connected. Then the next step, I want to play sound to both of them. In this case, I need to install a software called Virtual Audio Cable. I will give you the download link under my video. Okay, so let's download it. So I will download self-install. It is a trial version, but you don't need the full version to make it work. So you only need the trial version. Okay. So after I download, I will start it. Start the installation. Do we want to continue? Yes. Accept. Install. Okay. It's under virtual audio cable. Okay. That default audio record device. It's okay. So it's a finished installation. Then the next step is to remember we download it under the program. And you see the software installation. It is virtual audio cable. Okay. So now you can see the audio repeater.exe. Let's make a shortcut to pin to start. Then we go to the start. You will see it is added to the start menu. Okay. Okay. After you install the software, you need to go to the audio setting and change the line, change the output device to line 1 virtual audio cable. Okay. Select that one. Then let's start the repeater. Because I have three Bluetooth devices, I need to open this 3 times. Connect the three devices. Okay. So like you have three cable, connect them together. Okay. So the first one wave in is the line 1, and the wave out is my first Soundcore Mini. And the second one is 912, and the wave out is my second Soundcore Mini. And the third one is 9.1, and the output is my the other Bluetooth device. Okay. Then we need to start them. After they start them, now you can play music. Got you here when I sat and I lit up a cigarette. So the results is very good. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.